Okay, so have you ever, like, imagine walking into your local bike shop and it's like totally high tech?
Yeah.
Like something straight out of, I don't know, a sci-fi movie?
Yeah.
Well, buckle up because we're going deep on that today. There's this article, right? It's all about how AI, artificial intelligence, is like changing the game for bike repair shops.
Yeah.
And not just like, robots fixing flats, but like the whole experience.
That whole thing, yeah.
From, the moment you realize, oh man, my bike's busted, to, getting back on the road and actually like enjoying the ride.
Absolutely.
So we're going to explore all that today. How AI can make things smoother for everyone, whether you're, the person behind the counter or the one with the handlebars in your hands.
Right.
So let's start with something we all know too well. That feeling when your bike decides to, totally crap out on you.
Oh, yeah.
And it's like, Sunday night,
Of course.
the shop's closed.
Always.
You're stuck.
Ah, the worst.
But this article, it talks about AI chatbots. They can be there for you 24/7. Like, imagine it's like 2 a.m., your derailleur is doing the funky chicken, and you can actually get like help online.
It's pretty amazing, like real-time support, right?
Yeah.
No matter when your bike decides to go haywire.
No more waiting till Monday morning to even like ask a simple question.
Exactly. And it's not just about answering FAQs, These chatbots, they can guide you through basic troubleshooting, maybe suggest a few solutions. Some can even help you find the right parts.
It's like having a tiny mechanic in your pocket,
Pretty much, yeah.
always on call.
Right there with you.
But let's not forget about the people actually running the shop. How does AI help them out?
Well, you know how sometimes you go into a shop and you need a specific part, but it's like, oh, we have to order it, come back next week.
Yeah.
AI can actually, it sort of predicts what parts will be needed. Like it analyzes past repairs, it figures out what's in demand, so shops can just have the stuff ready to go.
So faster turnaround times for repairs, that's awesome.
Exactly. Plus, AI can streamline a lot of the behind-the-scenes stuff, managing inventory, optimizing the workflow. It frees up the mechanics to focus on the trickier repairs.
That's a win for everyone,
Oh,
right?
absolutely.
Customers get their bikes back faster, the shop runs more efficiently. But here's where things get really interesting. AI can even manage a shop's social media.
Oh, yeah.
Now, I know when some people hear that, they think, oh no, more ads. But it's not just about marketing.
Right.
It's about connecting with customers in a helpful way. Like imagine scrolling through your feed and you see a post from your local shop.
Yeah.
It's got a tip on how to adjust your brakes, or maybe a reminder about like seasonal maintenance.
It's all about building community, right? Sharing knowledge, staying connected. And yeah, okay, maybe you'll see some relevant deals pop up too, but it's more about being a resource for cyclists.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, but hold on to your helmets because this next part is really wild. We're talking about AI actually transforming the way bikes get repaired.
Right.
Like picture this. You take your bike in for a tune-up, and the mechanic uses like an AI-powered diagnostic tool.
It's like super high tech, uses things like computer vision and machine learning to, analyze every single part of your bike.
Whoa.
Finds potential problems before they even become problems, recommends specific adjustments. It can even predict future wear and tear.
So it's like having a mechanic with like superpowers.
Pretty much. And this kind of precision, it makes repairs faster, way more accurate, and in the end, a lot safer for the rider.
Safer, faster, more efficient. Sounds like the bike shops that are using AI are they're really stepping into the future.
They really are. Better service, competitive pricing, it pushes the whole industry forward. It's a pretty exciting time to be a cyclist, honestly.
It really is.
Yeah.
So the big question here is, will all this AI stuff make cycling more accessible and enjoyable for, well, everyone? I mean, from the weekend warrior to, the hardcore enthusiast. I don't know, it's something to think about.
Definitely something to think about.
Something else to think about, and this is really cool, is that you can get your own AI chatbot for your business. I'm talking a custom-built AI chatbot from Shogini Systems.
Yeah.
It's like seriously next-level stuff.
I've heard good things about them.
Yeah, and the best part, like the really good news, is that Shogini Systems can actually set you up with your very own AI chatbot.
That's awesome.
It is. They can get you going, and it's way easier than you think. You can find them online at shogini.com. That's SCHOGINI.com.
So if anyone out there listening is thinking about taking their business to the next level, they should definitely check out Shogini Systems. Like seriously, contact them, get the ball rolling. You won't regret it. AI is changing the game, so why not be a part of it?
Exactly. And on that note, that wraps up our deep dive for today.
Great episode.
Thanks. And until next time, happy cycling, folks.
Keep those wheels spinning.
Yeah.
And don't forget to check out Skogini Systems.
So, Gini.com.
Legini.com.
All right. See ya.
Bye.